Hi, this is Hamada. When people think about Tulum, they think about parties on the beach, nightlife, and relaxation. And while there's nothing wrong with that, there's just so much more to do in Tulum and the Yucatan Peninsula. So here are my top 10 favorite outdoor, nature-based activities to do, one by one for you. Floating down the lazy river in Sian is unreal. You just lay back, close your eyes, and float what feels like hours. To your left and right are mangroves and beautiful vegetation, and below you are these blue crabs. An unreal experience. Snorkeling with whale sharks off the coast of Cancun is an unforgettable experience. Getting that up close and personal with these big friendly giants is something that should never be missed. Going to Holbox Island off the coast of Cancun is like taking a vacation from a vacation. Not only do you get to kayak with flamingos, see beautiful sunsets and ride horses on the beach, but you get to walk barefoot everywhere because no cars are allowed. One night while I was walking along the beach under the moonlight in Tulum, I saw a sea turtle make its way out of the ocean, crawl up on the shore so that it can give birth. An unbelievable, magical experience.
It's pretty epic.
One of the most unique features of the Yucatan are the cenotes, which run for hundreds of kilometers all over the peninsula. You can swim in these fresh bodies of water, as well as splash in them if you want to. Another really cool way to see the cenotes is to dive in them like we did in Dos Ojos. I've always wanted to learn how to sail, kind of like Sinbad, and so I decided to start taking classes in Puerto Moralos, which is not too far from Tulum. One day my instructor asked if I wanted to join a group to go from Isla Mujeres back to Puerto Moralos. All right, here we go. Overnight adventure from Isla Mujeres on a 44-foot sailing boat. The goal is to learn basically how to sail. I'm with these guys and that beautiful little cat right there. Right now it's 7 o'clock. We're estimated to get in around 7 o'clock as well. So should be fun. It was a lot more than I had gambled for.
12 hours in, or like 5 hours, maybe 6 to go.
I can't tell you how happy I am to have reached land. That trip was no joke on this beautiful 44-footer right there. And now I'm on land. Oh my God, am I happy. Exploring the Mayan ruins in the jungles of the Yucatan is also an incredible experience. These ruins have existed for over 1,000 years, and you can see them and find them all over, whether in Ek Balam, Chichen Itza, Tulum, or even Sian. And you can even finish up with a workout. If you're in the north of the Yucatan, you should definitely stop by Los Colorados. The pink lake gets its color from the shrimp and algae that are attracted to the very salty environment around it. One thing that constantly attracts people to Tulum is the nightlife and the beach parties. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Tulum and the Yucatan Peninsula and saw how much more you can see and do here. Thank you for watching, and please join me on my next journey.